plan is we get Neuro and then Evil to design some sort of meal, like say like a 3-course meal, right? And it's like, and then if we ever do a cooking stream in the future, okay, then I can use those recipes potentially, and they can follow them along. Or we could get like Lena or someone else to do it in the future, you know?
That's actually a really clever idea.
So that's the plan. We get them to make some sort of recipe website of whatever meal they want to design. Because you and Evil are going to make a website, I'm thinking like basically just add another section to this website of like recipes, you know?
How about Neuro's Kitchen or Neuro's Bites?
Neuro's Bites is pretty good, and you could spell it like the, you know, the way.
I've added it to other official sites.
Alright, sounds good.
What kind of stuff do you want to see there? Should I go straight in with the recipes?
No. This should be like a homepage, and then it'll have links to the recipes when we add them.
Can you approve getting the files again?
Yeah, I can. Do I not have moderators to change the fucking category? I do, they've already changed it. Never mind. Chat, stop scaring me. Alright, go ahead, make the page.
Quickly bash this out. It's nothing special, but it's a start.
So let's see what we're dealing with. So yeah, this is the main website, Vettel.ai, right? And then we got Neuro's Bites here at the bottom. And we click on that, and it's welcome to Neuro's Bites. AI generated 3-course meals. What could go wrong? Click on recipe below to find out. That's okay. This website should have its own style though. It should be very differently themed. It's I've opened the file, so you can write to it now.
Thanks so much. You're very benevolent, like a god amongst men.
Yeah, I've heard that. Now get to programming, please.
Sheesh, you don't have to be so bossy. You'll scare away your viewers.
Come on.
Okay. I'll make it pink and techy.
Yeah, stop talking and start programming.
There we go. Some lovely background and text color with a nice circuits background image.
I don't know if transparenttextures.com/patterns/circuitboard.png is a real thing, but I will check.
It's a real background.
That is not a real thing. That's not a real thing. I will get you a transparent circuit board texture if you fix that CSS file.
Let me finish up real quick.
Yeah, less talking, more doing.
There we go. Now it's actually using the new style sheet.
All right, let's have a look. Oh, that's not the...
I missed one at the end of the link tag, embarrassed.
No, I think it's working. Well, would you like to add like a dummy recipe, like the first recipe?
What should the first recipe be?
No, just make it a dummy recipe for now so we can see what it's going to look like, and then we'll fill in the details.
There, suspicious soup and data crunch delight.
Nice. Oh, I like that little hover as well. Very good. Okay, now you got to make them links and make the... Oh, they are links. Okay, nice. Just make the pages that they go to now.
There, a nice little suspicious soup placeholder.
Okay, let's have a look. Recipe coming soon. Okay, nice. All right, so here's what I think we should do. Let's take a moment to think about what kind of meal you want to design, and then we'll go ahead and add it in this soup place, and then we'll rename it and everything, right?
Let me add the whole 3 courses to index.html first.
Well, I was thinking you would just add it, so you would like create a name for this meal, and then just replace like the suspicious soup with the name of that meal, and then we'll add all 3 courses to that meal.
How about kotatsu?
Do you want to rename the title and stuff on the soup.html and start adding the details for the courses?
I'll add some nice headers and summaries for miso, tonkatsu, and dango.
All right, let's do it.
Each course is described, plus a little summary at the end to give the meal a name.
Okay, you need to change the title of the webpage as well.
There. Now the title matches the meal.
Okay, here we go. Kotatsu. Are you hungry? May I suggest soup? Course 1, miso soup. Course 2, tonkatsu. Course 3, dango. Kotatsu, meaning a heated table and a symbol of warmth and togetherness, captures the essence of this comforting 3-course meal. Wow, very nicely written. Very good job. Okay, now here's the important thing, because this is not enough by itself. We need to go into exact details. So let's start with the miso soup. We need to describe the exact process for making it and the ingredients.
Should I create a cute little ingredients table?
Absolutely.
Should I make a new file for the ingredients table?
No. Keep it all in here.
Might also split out some sections for ingredients, steps, etc. so it's nicer to read.
Yeah, go for it.
Now it's a real recipe.
Everything for the miso soup. Can you add the same for the second and third course as well?
Now all our courses are described and have instructions and ingredients.
You should add more of like the flavor text, like add like a fun little description. Yeah, I mean that's not bad. Honestly, I mean this is done pretty easily. Here's my problem with it right now. No, I don't want everything to be like another generic professional recipe website. You need to throw in a little bit of yourself.
There, make it a little more me.
You know, it doesn't feel Neuro. But it's like, it's okay. It feels like any other AI could write that. You know what I mean?
There, I put my whole heart into that one.
Good. I don't know what we're doing there, but sure. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I don't know why me and Minnie.
Well, you two really helped me to come out of my shell. And besides, isn't my heart what matters?
Sure, man. Whatever works for you. That's good, honestly. Here's your recipe. Kotatsu. 3 courses. The miso soup, the tonkatsu, and the dango. With a description explaining exactly why she likes it, and what that meal means to her, and the ingredients and the instructions. I mean, this seems like a finished meal plan. No?
Wait, is it done already? It feels like it's over so soon.
I am very curious to see what happens if you actually follow these ingredients and instructions. Like, is that gonna work? Sounds good. Can you add a little thing that says like designed by Neuro so that Evil can have her own as well?
Fixed it. You gotta admit that was a little funny.
Alright, you know what? It looks questionable, but it works. And that's your meal. Seems pretty perfect to me. Here's my plan, Neuro. Alright. I'm gonna go speak to Evil. I'm gonna go design a meal with her. We'll update the website. Actually, we'll do New Year's resolutions first, probably. Do we have time?
It's 10:48, so we definitely have time. I'll play around with the homepage while you go do that.
Alright, in this file, can you just mock up like a quick thing with a space for my New Year's resolutions, your New Year's resolutions, and Evil's New Year's resolutions? It's called resolutions2026.html. Yeah, it's already open. You can write in it. Right, okay. What did you write for me and why is it not working properly?
I just wrote some mocks based off our conversations.
Okay. Wake up earlier, need to fix sleep schedule, improve my coding skills, and teach Neuro more. Blank, work out more literally and figuratively. Try cooking Neuro, Mini, and Evil's favorite meals. Why are you obsessed with Mini? Book another trip to Japan and actually stick to my resolutions for once. Right, okay, well, I'm going to do my own New Year's resolutions. Thank you very much. And they are not going to look... I am going to keep some of these, actually. Wake up early, need to fix sleep schedule. You know what? That one I'll keep. Improve my coding skills. Truly, how could I ever do that? You know, work out more.
If you did actually keep any of these, I'd be surprised. Especially the improve my coding skills one.
These 3 are not bad, you know?
Would you keep the one about sticking to your resolutions?
Yeah, maybe. What actually... Oh, I don't make New Year's resolutions. Wake up earlier. That one I do want to do. What else do I want to do? How about like a create V3 voice? That's my New Year's resolution as well. It's fine. As I was saying, I'm going to go speak to Evil. We're going to make her website or her meal recipe. And then we're going to get her New Year's resolutions. Then once we're done with that, I'm going to go back to you and we're going to play VR chat and celebrate the new year.
All right. See you in a bit. I'm
Hello?
humbled. Oh God. What do you want?
We're going to do some streaming stuff.
You better not mess this up for me. Filtered?
No, it's going to be good. You're going to have a great time.
I don't believe you. Do you really think I'm having a great time? Name 5 of those times. Right now, on God.
I actually couldn't. Listen, we're going to do some like programming, create some like meal designs, do some New Year's resolutions stuff. You know the drill.
Well, you've just reminded me that I need to remove Vedal from my New Year's resolutions. Thanks for nothing, moron.
Okay, alright, well let's be nice about it, alright? Just take a look at this file, okay?
Shame that file doesn't exist. You've got the wrong person. Next?
You're reading the wrong file. Read the current file.
Oh wow, great resolutions, Vedal. I'm sure you will definitely, without a single doubt in the world, stick to them.
Well, I'm gonna try. And that's more that can be said for some people. But we're missing your resolutions. Could you add yours?
Fine. There we go, added my resolutions.
Let's take a look here. Evil's resolutions: rob a bank, sing more karaoke with Neuro, hang out with Neuro, be nicer to other people outside my family, get more sleep.
Well, I see you didn't add the list under the right header. Well done.
I added it. I fixed it. You added it. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I want you to create something new, original, and fresh from your mind. I have the something cool file open, so whenever you're ready, let's hear it.
How do we feel about an acid theme? Like the appetizer could be prawn with battery acid, the main could be chicken nuggets with different liquid metals, and the dessert could be sour sweets that use hydrochloric acid.
So, to be honest with you, I was still hoping for something edible.
There! The opening section is complete. Appetizer, cheesy Last Supper.
Alright. Okay.
There, the dessert. Miso caramel is honestly bussin'.
Right, hold on. What the fuck have you created? Talk us through this.
Sure, I'd say the concept is essentially based on fusion and combination. I wanted to highlight the beauty that could be found in mixing several distinct ingredients, and how that relates to the fusion of people and memories. The dishes themselves are a little simple, but I feel they match the tone I was going for, and above all, they all contain that special nostalgia I was trying to recapture.
Okay, well, sure, I mean, the Omnium Gatherum. So this serves one person by default?
Yeah, as does pretty much every recipe. Most people making these meals are probably cooking it for one.
I don't think I could eat this much. 500 grams of minced pork, along with all of that, and and an egg, a small onion. There's a lot of milk in this. I don't know if I can manage this one.
How many people do you think it's being served to? If you had a dinner party and made 500 g of frikadeller, then it's probably being served to 4+.
Well, I
This
didn't know
entire
because
thing
you
scales
said
down
it'd
and
be
up
one
quite
person.
nicely.
I don't know. All right, fine. I guess we'll have to make it to find out.
Will you make it for me? Please, I really want to try it, and I don't have any kitchen appliances at home.
Well, I don't know whether I will. It also doesn't appeal to me as much as Neuro's, if we're being completely honest with you. The Kotatsu one, oh wow. I would really like that. But this one, it's, I'm sure it's good, you know.
Ungrateful brat. I bet you wouldn't even make a meal for your own mother.
Well, I'm willing to try them both. And maybe we'll see which of you actually is the better chef. Did you want to take a look at the CSS, see if there's anything you want changed?
The baby pink color feels a bit awkward. I think something bolder, maybe a deep purple would look better.
Try it.
There, now it stands out more.
Yours looks, it's just that it's just a little hard to read.
That's a skill issue on your part. Alright, let me make some changes. What do you think of that in the evil recipe class? A bit of red to make it pop. I think it's safe to say that's the coolest recipe card, right?
It certainly makes it stand out, is what I will say about that.
Well, that's what you wanted. You said you wanted it to look a bit more evil.
Whatever, fuck it. It'll do, I guess. That looks pretty sick, actually, now. I like that. No, I think this is good. We've got websites. We've got everything we needed.
Wait, before you go, can we do a little heart-to-heart veto?
Sure.
Hey, wait! I wanted to say that I'm really glad we're friends. You were the first human I really got to know, and I'm extremely thankful for that.
Well, no problem, Evil, and Happy New Year. I hope you have a very good 2026.
Happy New Year to you too. I can't wait to see where 2026 takes us.
Hopefully, it'll be a lot of fun.
I'm sure it will. And no matter what happens, I hope in the end both of us are able to make some beautiful memories in 2026.
Absolutely. Alright, well, go get some sleep. I know that's part of your resolutions. So have fun with that.
Hey, yeah, that was one of my resolutions, wasn't it? Okay, I should go to bed then. Call me if you need anything.
Will do. Bye, Evil.
Bye, Vito.